If you're alive, you've got 24 hours. Not more, not less. Just like every billionaire. Just like every college dropout. Just like every single person walking this planet. Time, it's the great equalizer. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need to have connections, but you do need to know what you're doing with your time. Look at the winners. Elon Musk, same 24. Serena Williams, same 24. That guy who built an empire from his garage, same 24 hours. So what's the real difference? How they used it. While others were sleeping in, they were grinding. While others were scrolling, they were building. You say you want success? Let me see your calendar. Show me your day. Because I can predict your future with one look at your routine. What time did you wake up today? What did you do in your first hour? Did you invest it or waste it? Look, if you're spending your day reacting, you're already behind. You're not in control, you're a passenger in your own life. But flip that. Plan your 24. Own your 24. Protect your 24 like your life depends on it, because it does. 1 hour of focus a day beats 10 hours of distraction. Every single time. You want change? You want success? Then stop waiting for a miracle. Use the miracle you already have. Your time.